Hey everyone, this is Michael Treadhart, International Technology Instructor, and I want to let you know about a big class that we have coming to Chicago Title on June 8th. And this is 100K annually with Google Business Profile. This is a class that I am going to show you how to go in, set up this free Google program called Google Business Profile. And I have hundreds of real estate agents across the United States, across Canada, that have added an extra $100,000 annually to their bottom line. I've got some that are up over 400,000 coming in from this program. This is a hands-on session. So bring your laptop, bring your tablet. I'm going to show you how to go in and set this up the right way, and then how to feed the machine so that it's going to be a constant income producer for your real estate business. This is a session that's open to all agents. Quite honestly, it's open to all business owners. So bring your database, bring people in your database that own their own business and want to learn more on how Google Business Profile can power their business. All you got to do is RSVP for the class below. It's going to be held at the Chicago Title off of Preston Road. Cost to attend is $20. That's it. You can't beat this one. So I'll see you guys on June 8th. Thanks.